Nisambula Vinaka, good morning, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, and a very good day to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, I have taken a bit of my time for a short message for all our teachers, our educators, our parents and our guardians out there. As a provider for our young children, young ones, I think nothing means more to us than seeing them happy, seeing them safe and seeing them healthy. We have lost a lot of sleep so that our children could rest peacefully. We have sacrificed our time to ensure that our children feel cared for and loved. And we are willing to take on any obstacle if it means ensuring that our young ones have the best. Now during this time of crisis, our children once again need us adults to stand up and be their protectors. And in this case, by getting vaccinated. Vaccination, ladies and gentlemen, protects all of us, your friends, your family, your neighbors and your fellow citizens from the deadly impacts of any virus, and in this case, the COVID-19 virus. We must all now show our example to our young ones, an example of bravery, an example of courage, an example of responsibility, an example of resilience, and an example of solidarity. Please play your part as a patriotic warrior in this fight against a relentless enemy and get the jab. If not for your sake, then for the sake of our children. I am fully vaccinated and so is my family. And I encourage you all to get fully vaccinated. A little bit of your time could make a huge difference in ensuring that our little ones are kept safe and secure from the harmful effects of COVID-19. We want our country to return to normalcy. We want our lives to return to normalcy. So please don't waste your time, don't waste a moment. Register now and get vaccinated today. I am vaccinated, fully vaccinated. Now is your time to do that. Thank you.